Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to run correlation analysis in STATA. Correlation analysis is a statistical method used to measure the strength and direction of the relationship between two or more variables. It helps researchers understand how changes in one variable are associated with the changes in another. Correlation coefficients ranges from -1 to +1. The value of +1 stands for the perfect positive relationship. The value of -1 stands for perfect negative relationship and 0 for no relationship. To run this analysis, first of all, we will download one data set. So for this, we will go in Google. Write down here HSV2 CSV dataset, enter. Now click on this first link, open intro HSV2. So this dataset consists of 200 observations randomly sampled from high school and beyond survey. The data frame consists of 200 observations with 11 variables. The variables are gender with label female and male, race with label African American, Asian, Hispanic and white, socioeconomic status low, middle and high, school type public and private, program general, academic and vocational. The scores are standardized reading scores, standardized writing scores, standardized math scores, standardized science scores, standardized social studies scores. So we want to find out the correlation between them. How to download this data? Scroll and here is the CSV file. Just click on it and the file will be downloaded. Now you go in STATA, file, import, text data, browse. Make sure that your download section is on. In that, click on HSB2, open, click OK. On right hand side, you will be able to see the name of the variables, but still I insist that you run the command browse so that you can see the entire data frame. So gender, race, socioeconomic status, school type, general, and these are the scores. Now what is our research question? Is there a significant relationship between students' math scores and science scores? Null hypothesis, there is no significant relationship between students' maths and science scores. Alternative hypothesis, there is a significant relationship between students' maths and science scores. So first of all, we will plot the scatter plot, which shows the relationships between three variables. So maths, science, and reading scores. The half options, which we will write here, displays only the lower half of the matrix, avoiding duplicate plots. So first of all, let us run this command. So graph matrix, math, science, read, and comma half. So you can see the half scatter plot. This is a scatter plot between maths and science scores. This is a scatter plot between maths and reading scores. This is a scatter plot between science and reading scores, and you find some amount of relationship in all these scores. But we will have to confirm by running formal test. So for this, we will run the formal Pearson correlation between maths and science scores. The command line is correlate. Reading scores are also included, writing scores are also included, math scores are also included. So right here, correlate. Math, science, read, enter. And you can see the correlation between maths and science is 0.6307. Between math scores and reading scores, that is 0.6623. Between science and reading scores, that is 0.6302. So these are the three correlations. Now recall the previous command by pressing page up, and still we can include the writing scores, enter. Recall the previous command by pressing page up, and still we can include social studies also. So let's proceed further. Now we require the significance value. So for this, we'll be running the command pw correlation. That is a pairwise correlation. The variable's name, math, science, read, and generate the significance value. So we'll go in pairwise correlation, math, read, science, and SIG value. Enter. So now it will generate the p values also. See, this is a relationship. This is a correlation between maths and reading scores. That is 0.6623. The p value is less than 0.05. It means that the null is rejected and this correlation is significant. Similarly, between maths and science, 0.6307, and this p value is less than 0.05. Then between reading and science, it is 0.6302, and the p value is less than 0.05. So it's significant. Whatever we have done with the help of command user interface, that can also be done with the help of graphic user interface. So go in statistics, summaries, tables, summaries and descriptive statistics. Go here in correlations. Now activate the variables reading, writing, maths, science, social studies, and just press submit. And you can see the results have been generated. Now we want to run the non-parametric part of the correlation, that is a Spearman correlation. And the command line is very simple again, Spearman, math, science, and read. So I'll write the command here, Spearman, math, science, and read. So it will give me this non-parametric analysis. This is a non-parametric version of Pearson correlation. So this was all about how to run correlation analysis in STATA. For more videos on STATA, kindly refer to my playlist. I also uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence on my YouTube channel named Dhaval Maheta. To watch the full videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check the playlist. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.